great products, but no one sees them. Small factories and workshops make incredible products, but struggle to market them. They don't have a marketing team. AI tools are complex. Agencies are expensive. Marketing is no longer optional, but it's still too hard. Meet Adova, an AI marketing assistant built for small factories and workshops. Simply describe what you need. We analyze with AI and expert insight and deliver a complete marketing plan. Professional, viral, creative, not just content. A complete marketing strategy that makes you stand out. More views, more clicks, more orders. Adova, helping small businesses shine like big brands.
To achieve this, we built Adova as more than just a tool, but as a complete system. It starts with a simple request. The user describes their product, their target audience, and their goal in natural language. This input is then processed by our AI system, which analyzes product features, marketing trends, and platform-specific requirements. Based on this, Adova generates initial concepts, including messaging, visual direction, and content formats. Then, human experts step in to refine and validate the output, ensuring quality, clarity, and industry relevance. The result is a complete marketing package, including videos, visual assets, and campaign strategies, ready to be deployed. Today, businesses face two extremes. AI tools are affordable, but hard to use. Agencies deliver quality, but at high cost. Adova sits in between, delivering high-quality marketing at a fraction of the cost. We win by making marketing simple. We stay by building data and expertise. We start with an AI-assisted service, combining automation with human expertise to ensure quality and build trust. Over time, we evolve into a fully scalable AI platform, enabling users to generate marketing independently. With every project, Adova gets smarter. We accumulate data, refine our models, and build domain expertise. Over time, this creates a compounding advantage, where outputs become more consistent, more efficient, and easier to scale. Adova is not just about content. It's about turning products into attention, turning attention into growth, and giving every small business the power to compete like a big brand.